guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll tell you the top 5 reasons why you should consider Australia if you're planning to do a degree in any type of engineering. So let's get straight into the video. The very first reason is that Australia is one of the best locations if you want to study engineering. It has all the different kinds of engineering options available for you, from aeronautical to aerospace to mechanical, CSE and whatnot. Any engineering option you want to go for, Australia has a college for that. There are more than 37 colleges in Australia which teach engineering. You can go for any kind of postgraduate programs, and apart from these, they also have TAFE or TAF, which are also known as Technical and Further Education Program, available to students like us. The next very important reason is that there are different kinds of courses you can choose from. So like I said, there are different kinds of engineering options available to you. So even if you want to do mechanical engineering, Australia can be the country for you. Or may it be electronical engineering, Australia still can be the best option which you can go for. The varied kind of options also allow you to choose which kind of specialization you want to go for, because all of these are very good quality options. The Australian engineering programs actually encourage students to get into internships during their coursework. This gives them real-world hands-on experience which helps them further in their career. Also, Australian degrees are recognized worldwide, so even if you don't want to stay back in Australia after you complete your degree, you can feel free to migrate to any other country of your choice. The next thing is that you get incredible work opportunities as well. So the median salary for any kind of engineer in Australia is around $60,000. So the salary is very good as compared to other countries which offer engineering programs. And because Australia is an English-speaking country, it is very favorable for students like us who are born in India and have their second or third language as English. And last but not the least, unlike a few other study abroad options, Australia helps you get the PR as well. So it is relatively easy to get a permanent residence in Australia as compared to, for example, UK, where the laws are comparatively stricter. If you manage to complete your degree and get a great job after your degree, you can surely get the PR because it's very easy to apply. Guys, this was it for the video. If you are considering to do any kind of engineering programs, do consider Australia, and if you have any doubts related to that, you can let us know in the comment section given below. Also, if you want to have a one-on-one session with any of our advisors here at Grad-Dreams, you can feel free to contact us with the help of the description box given below. Also, if you're liking the content, guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with someone you think might find it helpful. And also, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on such content. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.